Well, I don't think any of us are stranger to social media, are we? It's a platform that entertains, allows you to communicate, and is most importantly free. Well, whenever something is free online, there's a rule. If you're not paying for it directly, you are the currency. As you're already aware, these friendly looking apps that you use are actually multi-million-dollar corporates who benefit off of ad revenue and the data collected off of you. And the worst part is, you don't get anything in exchange of the time you spend on it. Sure, you may get emotional gratification and happiness by looking through the posts of your friends, but you won't earn anything that the company is earning off of you. Well, there's a company out there who starts off with the philosophy that you should earn for the revenue that you are generating for the company. They were called Tsu, but now they are called as Display. It's a social media app very similar to Instagram where they share their ad revenue with their users. Doesn't matter if you have 1 follower or 100 followers or 1,000,000 followers, you will be getting the ad revenue generated out of the app. The way it works is, for every 3 posts on your timeline or anywhere you browse, there will be an ad shown. Display keeps 50% of the ad revenue and the remaining 50% is shared with the 3 preceding posts. Sounds pretty simple, isn't it? That's because it is. Looks like the more you post and the more engaging your posts are, the higher will be your chances of earning more. And similar to YouTube's super chat or applause button, there's the option to directly support the creator with a very interesting way. When you click on this support me button, which is now just called an S button, you will be shown an ad on your screen, and again 50% of that revenue directly goes to that post or the creator of that post, and the remaining 50 will be kept by Display. So this way you don't have to pay out anything from your own pocket and the creator will still get some incentive. Now the app is a little buggy and unoptimized on Android, like the menus don't really load up as fast as they could. But hey, Instagram is not winning any prizes for their seamless app design anyways. There are tons of jarring bugs, but billions of people use it regardless of that. So I'm not blaming a smaller company for making an app that looks very similar but has a few issues right now. There is even an option called Communities, which is very similar to Quora or Reddit, where you can join a community of like-minded people and share posts on something that you're passionate about. It's a great way of growing your own community. Everyone else is busy hoarding data from you while showing you annoying ads and not giving you a single dime. I really think that Display deserves your attention. This is perhaps one of the actually free communities out there without any catches. I mean, you will be compensated for your posts and the time that you spend here. So I'll leave a link in the description. You can sign up and check it out for yourself. If you don't like it, of course you can leave anytime. Okay then, subscribe for more quick and useful videos like this, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.